Welcome to Dorman Products AC condenser fan installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered medium difficulty by our technicians and should take approximately 30 to 45 minutes. Tech note: our AC condenser fan has been engineered specifically for your ease. No AC flush or recharge is needed to complete this repair, saving time and money. Warning: for your safety, be sure to disconnect the battery before beginning the installation. Begin the installation by sliding the fuse box forward. This will unlock the box from the container, allowing it to be free. Next, disconnect a few or all of the harnesses connected to the fuse box as to allow for as much space as possible. Next, unscrew the four main bolts holding fan and condenser into place. Once loose, pull fan up with condenser. This will give you better access to the bolts on the side of the fan, keeping the condenser inside the shell. Remove all surrounding bolts, then cut away small plastic side piece from original. Once completely free, wiggle the original fan out from under the hood. At this time, replace the original rubber mounts onto the new pre-cut condenser fan and place back around the condenser itself. Then, continue reinstallation in reverse order to complete the repair.